the 10 largest modern animals that exist. Get ready for a fascinating journey through the animal kingdom like you've never seen before. In this video, we will take you to explore the world of the largest and most majestic creatures that populate our planet today. From ocean giants that defy understanding to land colossi that dominate their habitats, you'll discover the 10 most impressive and astonishing modern animals that exist. Number 10. Gorilla, 1.7 meters. The gorilla, majestic and powerful, is one of the most impressive animals that inhabits our planet. This giant of the African jungle, belonging to the primate family, shares a surprising genetic similarity with humans, which makes us feel a special connection with them. Gorillas are known for their imposing size, being the largest primates on Earth. Adult males can reach up to 180 kilograms in weight and measure more than 1.70 meters in height when upright on their hind legs. Their dense, dark fur, usually black or brown, protects them from the rigors of their jungle habitat and gives them a formidable appearance. One of the most notable characteristics of gorillas is their social behavior. They live in groups called troopers, led by a dominant male called the silverback, due to the silver coloring he acquires with age. These communities are made up of several females, their young, and some subordinate males. The family unit is essential for their survival, as they work together to find food and protect each other from predators. Number 9. Hippopotamus, 3 meters. The hippopotamus, whose name comes from the Greek and means river horse, is one of the most imposing and fascinating animals that inhabits the aquatic systems of Africa. These majestic creatures are known for their size, unpredictable nature, and unique appearance. The hippopotamus is the third largest mammal on Earth, surpassed only by the African elephant and the white rhinoceros. Males can reach a weight of up to 3,600 kilograms and measure up to 3 meters in length, while females are slightly smaller. Their stocky body is covered in thick, wrinkled fur, which provides them with a layer of protection from the scorching sun and gives them their characteristic appearance. Despite their imposing mass, hippos are semi-aquatic creatures. They spend much of their lives in rivers, lakes and ponds, where they find shelter from the African heat and enjoy a largely herbivorous diet. Their large mouths house sharp fangs and powerful jaws that allow them to easily tear grass and other aquatic plants from riverbeds. Despite their primarily vegetarian diet, hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their territorial and aggressive behavior. They are known for attacking boats and people who venture too close to their territory. Number 8. Polar bear, 3 meters. The majestic polar bear, known scientifically as Ursus maritimus, is one of the most emblematic and formidable creatures that populate our planet. This imposing marine predator is at the top of the Arctic food chain and has adapted perfectly to the extreme conditions of its frozen habitat. The polar bear is the largest land mammal in the world, with adult males reaching impressive weights of up to 800 kilograms and measuring around 3 meters in length. Its fur is a bright white that provides camouflage in the Arctic landscape, and, beneath its gentle appearance, it houses an incredible layer of fat and skin that helps it maintain a stable body temperature in the cold waters and frigid climate of the Arctic. One of the most notable characteristics of polar bears is their swimming abilities. They are capable of traveling great distances in the water, reaching surprising speeds. They use their front legs as powerful flippers and their hind legs for steering, allowing them to hunt marine prey such as seals and walrus. Their diet is almost exclusively composed of meat, and they depend on sea ice to access their prey. This dependence on sea ice makes them particularly vulnerable to climate change, as melting ice in the Arctic reduces their habitat and makes it difficult for them to find food. Number 7. Asian elephant, 4 meters. The majestic Asian elephant, scientifically known as Elephas maximus, is one of the most iconic and fascinating creatures that inhabits our planet. Its immense size, remarkable intelligence and cultural importance throughout history make it a true treasure of Asian biodiversity. These elephants, unlike their African relatives, have some distinctive characteristics. They have smaller Indian-shaped ears and a hump on their back, and their skin is generally rougher and more mottled. Their color varies from light to dark gray, and their size can reach up to 4 meters in height and weigh around 5,000 kilograms, making them the largest land mammals on the Asian continent. Asian elephants are social animals that live in groups led by an older female known as the matriarch. These family groups establish strong social bonds and work together to find food, protect their young, and resolve conflicts within the group. Their diet consists mainly of grass, leaves, tree bark and fruits, and they can consume large amounts of food each day. Number 6. African elephant, 4 meters. The African elephant, scientifically known as Loxodonta africana and Loxodonta cyclodus, is a majestic creature that inhabits the vast and diverse regions of the African continent. These magnificent mammals are one of the most iconic and fascinating species of African wildlife, and their presence evokes a sense of awe and respect in all who are fortunate enough to witness them in their natural environment. African elephants are the epitome of greatness in the animal kingdom, with males able to reach heights of up to 4 meters and weigh over 6 tons, making them the largest land mammals on Earth. Their dark gray skin is covered in wrinkles, giving them a distinctive and unique appearance. Their enormous ears not only help them regulate their body temperature in hot African climates, but also allow them to detect distant sounds, contributing to their ability to communicate. One of the most notable characteristics of these gentle giants is their impressive memory. African elephants have highly developed brains and are known for their ability to remember water source locations, migratory routes and social bonds throughout their lives, allowing them to survive in the arid and changing African landscapes. Number 5. Giraffe, 5.5 meters. The giraffe, majestic and unique in its appearance, is one of the most emblematic animals of the African savanna. With its long neck and distinctive spots, the giraffe is a true icon of African wildlife. But there is much more to this creature than its striking appearance. Giraffes are known to be the tallest land mammals on the planet, reaching impressive heights of up to 5.5 meters. This elongated neck not only allows them to reach the tenderest leaves on trees, but also gives them a panoramic view of their surroundings, which helps them detect predators from afar. Their fur, dotted with dark spots, is a distinctive feature that varies in pattern and shade depending on the subspecies and the individual. Each giraffe has its own unique spot pattern, making them easily recognizable. These spots function as a form of camouflage in their habitat, as the shadows and changing tones of their fur allow them to blend in with surrounding vegetation and confuse predators. Number 4. Giant squid, 8 meters. The giant squid, scientifically known as Architeuthis dux, is a truly amazing and mysterious marine creature that inhabits the depths of the oceans. This majestic cephalopod is the giant of its underwater world and one of the most enigmatic invertebrates that exist. With lengths that can exceed 8 meters and weights of up to 500 kilograms, the giant squid is a true wonder of nature. Its long, muscular body is covered with soft, silky skin that often sports shades of dark red or brown. However, as it rises from the depths, its skin becomes more transparent, allowing perfect camouflage in ocean waters. The eyes of the giant squid are enormous, the size of basketballs, and are equipped with acute vision that allows them to detect their prey in the darkness of the depths. In addition, they have 2 long tentacles full of sharp suction cups and claws that they use to catch fish and other marine creatures. Number 3. Orca, 9 meters. The orca, also known as the whale killer, is one of the most impressive and fascinating animals that inhabit our planet's oceans. This majestic cetacean, which belongs to the dolphin family, is one of the most formidable and socially complex marine predators that exist. Orcas are easily recognized by their distinctive black and white color scheme, which gives them an elegant and powerful appearance. With a robust and aerodynamic body, they reach lengths of up to 8 to 9 meters in females and 9 meters in males, the latter being larger and more muscular. Its dorsal fin, which can measure more than a meter in height in males, is a distinctive and fearsome feature when raised out of the water. One of the most amazing characteristics of orcas is their outstanding intelligence. They are highly social and complex animals, living in family groups called matrilineages. Each matrilineage is led by an experienced female and is made up of her direct descendants and close relatives. These groups are very close-knit and work together in hunting, raising young, and protecting each other. Number 2. Whale shark, 12 meters. The whale shark, scientifically known as Rhyncodon typus, is a majestic marine creature that has fascinated scientists, conservationists, and marine life lovers for generations. This gentle giant is the largest fish that inhabits our ocean and represents a wonder of nature in itself. The whale shark can reach impressive sizes, with individuals exceeding 12 meters in length, although specimens exceeding 18 meters have been recorded. Its body is elongated and cylindrical in shape, with skin covered in spots unique to each individual, which makes it easier for scientists and observers to identify it. These spots and stripes vary in shades of blue, gray, and brown, creating a unique pattern on each shark. His mouth is literally huge. The whale shark has a mouth that extends almost the entire width of its head and houses more than 3,000 tiny teeth, although it rarely uses them for feeding. Despite its size, this shark feeds mainly on plankton, small fish, and marine organisms that it filters through its gills. Number 1. Blue whale, 30 meters. The blue whale, scientifically known as Baleinoptera musculus, is a majestic creature that inhabits the vast oceans of our planet. Known as the largest animal that has ever existed on Earth, its impressive size and fascinating behavior make it one of nature's most amazing creatures. Blue whales can grow to astonishing lengths of up to 30 meters or more, and their weight can exceed 200 tons. Imagine a living being so gigantic that it is longer than a bus and heavier than a commercial airplane. This colossal size is an evolutionary adaptation that allows them to survive in the oceans and feed on krill, their main food source. A distinctive feature of the blue whale is its coloration, which varies from bluish-gray to deep blue, giving it its name. Their long, slender body is marked by grooves in their throat that expand when they feed. Despite their vastness, these creatures are known for their peaceful and gentle nature, swimming slowly through the water with unmatched elegance.